Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to explain and practically demonstrate contains predefined method of string class in Java. So let's get started. So contains is an another important predefined methods of string class in Java guys. And using this contains, we can check whether a particular text is available in the given string or not. Okay, using this contains, we can check whether the given text is available in the string or not. For example, in the string we have I love Java programming text is there in the string. So this is a string. Now in this particular string, using contains, I would like to find out whether Java is there in this string or not. You see, contains Java. Does this particular string contain Java? If it is there, the result will be, output will be what? Output will be true guys. Okay. If Java is really there in this particular text, yes, Java is there here. So it will return true. What if I say contains Python? What will happen in this case if I say contains Python? The output will become false in this case because Python is not there in the string. So contains will work like that. You don't have to give the entire text to get true. You have to give only some portion of the text to see if that particular text is part of the string or not. If it is part of the string, contains will return true. If the given text is not part of the string, then it will return false. Okay. Unlike equals where you have to, if I have to use equals here to get this true, I have to write the I love Java programming entirely in this contains. But with contains, part of this portion of this particular string I can provide here to see if that particular portion of the text is part of the string or not. If it is there, true, otherwise false. Now let me practically demonstrate this for you. Further, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as some random name with main method. And inside this, I'm going to create the string str is equal to I love Java programming. Like this, I'll give. Put a semicolon. Now here I'll write down system.out.println str dot contains I'll use. Okay, str dot contains. You see, only one method is there, contains. Here we have to give the character sequence. And inside double quotes you can give guys. For example, if I'm giving Java here, is Java part of this string? Yes. So this is going to give return true. What if I write system.out.println str dot contains Python? Do we have Python in this particular text? No, right? So it will return false. As simple as this. Run this code and see that you are getting the same output true and false. Yes, Java is there part of this string, so contains is returning true. Python is not part of this text, so contains is returning false. So guys, hope you understood how to use contains predefined method of string class in Java. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.